guys, so we just got to our hotel in Nachi called Hotel Nakanoshima. It's an amazing little ryokan that's on an island in the middle of a bay, and we're completely surrounded by water. It's pretty amazing, and it's a traditional style room with lots of amenities, so let me show you around. Alright, let's go. Okay, so first off, we've got your typical front room. This one's actually pretty big. There's our stuff. Our suitcases have been roaming the streets of Osaka and Tokyo, so we figured we'd leave it down here. And then these here are for your shoes, so our shoes are in there. And then when you get here, these slippers are only for outside. I accidentally, Brayden had a blonde moment and I put them on and got on the tatami mats, and our little room mother freaked out on me and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is our bathroom. Alright, so this is the main room. There's Freeman. So the cool thing about this room is it's a deluxe room and you can see the gorgeous ocean out there. So this room is 12 tatami mats big, and that's how the Japanese measure their rooms. So if you count, there's 2 over here, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here, 7, there's 2 tatami mats here, 8, or sorry, this is 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah. A little patio area. Oh man, look at that sun. Here's a little like dressing room, we think. We're not quite sure what it's for, but it's got a mirror. So we're assuming a nice little dressing room, which is kind of cool. Can get dressed with the ocean at your view.
She's way more adventurous than I am.
It's good.
Okay.
Kind of like it. I can really only taste the butter and lemon.
Lemon.
But I mean, it kind of tastes what shellfish, or
yeah.
not shellfish, but
yeah, it's a shellfish. Yeah.
Crustacean?
I don't know. It's a fish in a shell.
Yeah.
So yeah,
a shellfish.
Yeah.
I don't think it's shellfish, but yeah, it tastes like what that tastes like a clam or whatever, but it doesn't have a fishy taste at all. So that means like it's really high quality. It's really good.
Well, I think they probably picked it from
right outside.
Right out there somewhere. Yeah.
It's good.
Because it was alive when it came to the table.
Yeah. I'll eat yours.
Okay.
So this is the first room you come in. You can see our little feet. You've got some places to put your stuff, and then a little sink area so you can make up afterwards, a hair dryer and lotion and stuff. They give you extra towels Although we're pretty sure we were supposed to bring our own, but we used the extra towels because we're stupid gaijin. Alright, so then you come in here and you have an indoor bath.
Your wash-off area.
With your wash-off area. And I'm going to quickly go outside so the camera doesn't get messed up. There's stuff to wash yourself with and little spots to sit. Alright, camera already got foggy. Alright, and then we have an outdoor bath. This is all fresh spring water, and you can tell because it smells like farts. Anyway, these are nice and deep, and it's pretty out here. The only weird thing is, people can totally see you, and there are boats that go by, so you gotta quickly get in the water if you don't want anyone to see your butt or your dong. Or your boobies.
Alright, so this morning we had breakfast and everything, and then we came back to the hotel. As they were giving us new towels and everything, our mom, as we've been calling her, brought us this little present, and we have no idea what it's going to be, but it's in a little box, so let's find out.
Yeah, we think it's
something to do with maybe marriage. Because she found out that we were on our honeymoon last night.
Yeah, I told her that we were on our honeymoon, so we think it's possibly a gift for that, but we're not sure, so let's open it.
Yeah.
Some sort of blue box.
Oh! It is a his and her cup.
Oh, so we were right. Oh, those are so cool. I love that.
Take them home and use them for tea and always remember.
Yeah, definitely.
A trip out to this island.
Oh my gosh, I love that they're clovers.
Yeah, it's cool. It's good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think everybody gets this.
I don't think so either.
Our mom has been really taking care of us.
Yeah, Mama Mizuo, she's the best.
She found us at breakfast, made sure we got a nice
table by the window.
Water and everything. She's really taking care of us.
Yeah. So those cups are awesome. When you're in Japan, gifts are actually a pretty big deal. So we kind of probably should have brought something to leave for them, which we forgot. We brought a gift to our bakery friends earlier in Tokyo, but when you come to Japan, if you're planning on staying at ryokans or any sort of homestay where you're going to meet local people and spend a lot of time with them, it's customary to bring some sort of small gift. As a foreigner, you're not going to be expected to, and if you don't, it's totally fine. But in Japan, gifts are huge, so bringing some sort of we were brainstorming and we were thinking like fun-sized items of like popular candy in America that you can't get in Japan. So like Snickers you can get here, Kit Kats you can get here, M&Ms I think you can get here. No? Freeman says no.
They have something like it.
They have something like it. So like if you bring like M&Ms or even like Skittles or
Starburst maybe.
Starburst or what I was thinking was like Godiva chocolate or Ferrero Rocheras. I can't say that word.
Those are good, yeah.
Those are really good.
They would go nuts for
and
those.
Those would be perfect. So we should have brought some, and we feel really bad. But just a note, gifts are huge in Japan. So when you come visit, if you plan on staying anywhere other than just a normal, typical tourist hotel, just bring like a handful of small things you can give to people because they really appreciate it. There's a lot more rules and stuff for gift giving, which I'll go into in another video maybe sometime. But just as a point, if you're going to come to Japan for more than just a few days, and even if you are coming for a few days and you're going somewhere that's local and more homey, you should definitely bring a gift. So anyway, just a good tip, and these cups are awesome. We're totally going to use them all the time. All right, bye guys!